Hi there, my name is Stephanie Foley and I'm the curator at the Witchert Stouffville Museum. We'd like to invite you to come and take part in a couple of events that are coming up on May 16th and May 23rd. The first event on May 16th is a celebration of International Museums Day, which actually happens on May 18th, but we're celebrating it a couple of days early. One of our missions here at the museum is to ensure accessibility in whatever form that takes. So on May 16th, we are offering free admission to the museum for guests. All of the buildings will be open and we'll have trained staff and volunteers inside the buildings to answer questions for you. And you'll also have a chance to get a sneak peek into our summer exhibit installation where the curator, that's me, will be working to install the exhibit so you can come in and see what all that is about and what's involved in getting an exhibit together. So that will be happening from 12 to 4 on Saturday, May 16th. The next event that I'm sharing with you right now is our volunteer work bee for the springtime. So the grounds are quite large here, and in the spring we open up the barn, clean it all up, get the gardens ready to plant, and just have a general cleanup of the grounds. That goes from around 12 a.m. to 3 p.m. on the 23rd, and if you're here all day, we'll provide lunch for you. So if you think this might be something that you're interested in, give us a shout so we can get your name on the list and also find out if you've got any food issues. Thanks very much.